Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by arranging the parts where you will assemble the frame. This prevents back and forth and keeps alignment consistent. Once positioned, attach the side rails to the headboard using wood glue and 2-3 screws per bracket. This creates a rigid corner. Make sure to clamp while you drill so pieces don't shift. You do this now because square corners determine mattress fit and overall strength. After both sides are secured, check for square by measuring diagonals. Small adjustments are easier early. Next, place the center beam to carry most of the load and prevent sagging. You want it centered front to back and side to side. Once done, secure brackets to the beam and side rails with pilot holes to avoid splitting. This maintains tight joints under weight. Then install slats across the frame spaced 3 to 4 inches apart. This optimizes mattress support and airflow. Make sure to stagger slat ends and fasten them slightly into rails so they won't shift. If using a middle leg, now you fit the mattress and test the complete frame by applying pressure at corners and center to find wobble or creaks. Tighten any loose hardware and recheck diagonals. If you see a visible gap or misalignment, loosen adjacent bolts, insert a thin shim to align, then retighten evenly so you do not twist the frame. For persistent sagging, add a support leg under the center beam or swap to a thicker beam. Doing so restores rigidity and extends mattress life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.